The most intimate and important part of your lathe for getting consistent and nice cuts is the tool rest. So why do they give us such crappy ones from the manufacturer? Can you see all the divots? And this is after me almost on a weekly basis using a mill file to mill the top down. Each one of those divots will impact the smoothness of my cut. I mean, it's just devastating if you're trying to get an off the blade cut. Plus, look at this. Why am I wearing this part down here? That's because whenever I drop my handle, I'm actually having to move along this bottom section to make shearing cuts, which just extends the distance on the outside. And I wear it out and it's a lot harder to rough. Listen to that. That ain't gonna be a smooth cut. Now I will grant you that they gave you a nice finger rest, but look at how far away from the tool rest that is. Oh man, I just dented it again, bouncing it right there. Gotta mill it off again. The absolute best thing you could do to improve your cuts consistency, make your time more enjoyable at the lathe, is to trash your original tool rest. I don't know of a single manufacturer other than Robust who happens to have a huge line of aftermarket tool rests available for all different lathes, but there are other manufacturers that make similar products where the tool rest just isn't an iron piece of junk. Now look at this one. I got a nice broad finger rest. It's not that little lip, so all different sizes, but I can also run my knuckles in there. And it's nice steel. It doesn't have that roughness of iron. Because you are touching this on every single cut you do. I mean, everything you do here, you're running your finger on. That is your depth stop to prevent you from going in. So you might want a nice, comfortable tool rest. Also, it ran a bead of steel on front. It's not a platform, so it doesn't matter what angle I do. I mean, can you imagine doing a peeling cut on a really good thing, thunk, thunk, on the other one? This one right here, I can come all the way in, move around. And there are a lot of other tool rests that do this one. As I said, this is a Robust. I paid for this a long time ago. I've had this particular one for, I want to say, 8 years. I've never had to mill this top section up. In fact, I'm not even sure you can. It's such a hard steel going along the top. I mean, this is just a use it and abuse it kind of thing. So, my tip today, if you want to improve your performance, improve your consistency, improve your comfort, and improve your overall enjoyment of your lathe, why not spend a tad bit of money and upgrade the thing on the lathe that you are in contact with the most? Your tool rest. Upgraded tool rest will require a lot less maintenance and just will make life a lot better. Now, you don't have to take my recommendation of the Robust, which is the one I enjoy. Just go to your woodworking shop. They make a wide variety and shapes and sizes of tool rests. Try a few out there. I'm sure the store will let you do it. Or go to a woodworking club, ask people around what they recommend. Most people will have a very good preference or a strong preference for one or the other. So, tip for the day. Trash your stock tool rest and get something a little bit better. Since we've been talking about the lathe today, for the bonus, I thought I would talk about one of my most go-to references in turning. I love making small boxes. And the book I turn to time and time again is Richard Raffin's Turning Boxes. He also has a companion DVD, though I'll tell you this. The DVD is mainly a techniques kind of video. The reason why I love this book so much is not only is it techniques, but it goes into depth on design. I mean, that is the main thing I would say in this book that makes it so unique, is he gives you the reasoning why some designs look good and some designs look bad. And he critiques his own design work in here. It's a phenomenal book that I go to constantly looking for inspiration. Richard Raffin's Turning Boxes. Pick it up if you're a wood turner. You will